And so you've made it to the finale. You'll notice that I haven't been brave enough to draw the object that you're going to cut, but I think if you made it this far, you can probably figure it out. Anyway, just to be safe, I'll do it on camera for you right now. So we start by taking our first one and putting a Mobius loop on. And the trick here is to do exactly the same thing with two different templates. Because what you're going to notice now is that when I do the second one, I could either go like that or I could twist the other way. And those are called chiralities. I could either have a chirality that twists like that or a chirality that twists like that. Now you might ask yourself if there shouldn't be four, because I could have done the same thing on the other side. And that's actually not going to be the case. And if you need to think about that, have a think about that. And if your explorers need to think about that, let your explorers think about that. But either way, we'll end up with two possible objects. One like that, and one instead twisting the other way. Either way, it's pretty clear that this object is one-sided, because this Mobius strip is one-sided and this Mobius strip is one-sided. So if I start anywhere, I can easily get to the other side of that bit, and I can get over to the other side of the other side. So, one-sided object. Two Mobius strips just mean you got a one-sided object. If you're running this and you don't want to talk about the chiralities and the possible twists that you could go one way or the other, just let your explorers have at it and let them start cutting and let them see what happens, because they will actually get two different results. One of them is of course more beautiful than the other, but either way you will end up with two possibly different results. Anyway, for your speedier explorers, you could ask them why it is that different people seem to be getting different objects when they cut along the center lines. Some of them might, and I say might because it's a bit of a leap, some of them might notice the chiralities. And if they don't, you can certainly point it out to them and then ask them why that would give different results. Just the fact that there is a difference in chirality in the way that we twist these double Mobius strips. Finally, I would be remiss if I didn't direct you to Tadashi Takeda's number file video, upon which really a large chunk of this exploration is based. So I've included it as the last stop in this exploration, and you can enjoy his lovely review of what we've just encountered. Hope you enjoy this exploration.